Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we are going to revise the chapter 2. I am here discussing mainly the important terms from the chapter and few short answers, few 2 marks answers and 4 marks answers. So first we will discuss some important terms from the chapter. First, email. You will write it is an electronic exchange of messages from one computer to another. Web surfing. Exploring information on the web is called web surfing. Spam. An unwanted message that is sent to multiple recipients who have not specially requested for it. Attachment. File that may be sent with an email message. Inbox. The folder where all incoming messages are stored. Draft. The folder where message can be saved so that it can be sent later. Send, where all the sent messages are stored. Outbox. What happen when we send a message? Suppose your mobile is not connected to the internet, then the message will stored in outbox. Compose, when you want to send a new message, then you will use compose. CC, if you want to send the same message to multiple persons, then you will use CC. BCC, if you don't want to reveal the recipient addresses, means to whom you are sending the messages. If you want to hide them, the email of other users, then you will use BCC. Smiley, it is a standard facial expression or emotion. It is known as smiley. Signature, it is a 1 or 2 line of information that contain sender's full name and address. MIME, it's a multi-purpose internet mail extension. Then address book, it is a book where we can store all the email contacts, netiquettes, the correct behaviors on the internet. Flames, angry or hated message. Search engine, a program where we can search information on www. Chat, a program that enables us to have textual communication in real time. Codec, a hardware or part of software which can do compression. Like when we are doing video calls, the video are recorded by using our mobile camera or web camera that are in very big in size, but our net is not that fast, so it have to be compressed in lower sizes. That part is done by codec. E-commerce, buying or selling things on the internet. I'm not going to read all the terms. If I'm going to read, it will take enough time, so you can pause the screen, you can pause the video and you can see it from there. Will require e-site, e-learning, e-banking, e-shopping, e-reservation, e-group, information retrieval, etc. And here are some 1 mark answer from the chapter 2. Give 2 example of email provider, Hotmail, Gmail. Give 2 example of search engine, Google, Yahoo. Give 1 example of email program, Microsoft Outlook. Now remember, point to be noted, email provider will be who provide you the email service, and email program is the software through which you can see your email messages in your computer. Normally nowadays we are directly opening the Gmail and all from browser, but earlier we used to open the email from Outlook by using Outlook. Still some people are using Outlook. So if asked, give 1 example of email program, you can write even Gmail also. Gmail is directly web-based interface, and Microsoft Outlook. 2 example of e-reservation, yatra.com, makemytrip.com, IRCTC, etc. 2 example of e-learning portal, Swayam, Khan Academy, Vedantu, Byju's, etc. When was the first real email sent? In 1971. What is Spider? A search engine have automated program that scan for various websites is known Spider. Define nesting. Nesting allow us to build complex queries. Any website where we can find people, it will be Facebook. What are the chat rooms? Website that offer website offering spatial area for, it will be area for chatting is called chat room. 2 example of digital middleman, Flipkart, Myntra. What is BBS? People can share information with other by uploading it to a particular space. That space is known as bulletin board system. What are the things required for a successful telnet session? Telnet means we are connecting to a remote computer. To connect to a remote computer, we'll need a valid password and a valid username. Any one e-banking website, online sbi.com, even hdfc.com, these things you can write. Name the protocols that is used for handling email. You will write IMAP, POP3, SMTP. Now here are 2 marks questions. For 2 marks I have already given the answer so many times, so I am not writing the answers here. So if you find difficulty to find the answers of any questions, you can write in comment section. I will definitely help. Here are the questions. What are the advantages of using email? For advantages you will write these are speed, content, security. This will be advantages. And what are the features? Here you will write inbox, outbox, draft, signature, etc. Difference between CC, BCC. This I already gave in definition. From there only you can write. Difference between plain text and rich text. Plain text is the ordinary text without any format, but rich text is the text with format like text color, text style, etc. Explain any two etiquettes. You can write no flaming, turn off caps locks, always sign out after using the email. This you can write for etiquettes. What are the two parts of an email address? Two parts are username and host name. Explain with example. It's already there in book. You can write that one. What are the protocols used in email? This for 2 marks, so you will have to explain the protocols like POP3, IMAP, SMTP. What is search engine? How does it work? Search engine is the program used to search information on www. How it work? So see it from book. Even I have given another video also. What are the 3 components of a search engine? The search engine contains 3 components. They are spider, search index, and spider or crawler, search index, and search algorithm. Explain the Boolean operator used in search engine. They are and, or, not, near, there. What is VTC? It's a video teleconferencing which allow us to do virtual meetings. How does VTC take place? This is you write how we can use a computer web camera and record the video and sound, and how we transfer to the internet. It's already there in book, so you can write particularly that paragraph. 2 advantages of VTC in the field of education. 2 advantages of VTC in the field of medicine. It's already there in book. That one you can write. Even you can make your own one. Difference between downloading and uploading. Already I have given in this one definitions. That one only can write. What are the e-sites? Explain any two. This also I already gave, and any 2 type of e-sites are e-banking and e-shopping. Different categories of e-banking. These are B2B, B2C, C2C, and digital middleman. And as it is for 2 marks, so we will explain a bit one line. List different types of e-banking. Different types will be transitional and non-transitional. In transitional, what we can do everything, means withdraw, deposit, these things we can do, but non-transitional we can see only the balance, we cannot modify the account. Give 2 example of e-reservation. Different types of e-banking. Categories will write transitional and non-transitional. For types we'll write ATM, mobile banking, net banking, these things. 2 example of e-reservation: yatra.com, bookmyshow.com. Give 2 example of e-learning: Vedantu, Byju's. 2 example of e-shopping: Flipkart, Myntra. Now for 3-4 marks, what is an email? What are the advantages of email? What is an email? You will write the definition of email, and advantages you will write speed, content, security. These are. Explain any 4 features. You will write any 4 features like inbox, outbox, draft, attachment, signature. Any 4 you can write from there. What is e-commerce? Write the definition of e-commerce. Explain the different categories of it. Different categories will be B2B, B2C, C2C, and digital middleman. This one write with definitions. List the advantages and disadvantages of e-learning. It's already in book. You can see it from there. List the advantages and disadvantages of e-banking. This is also very important one. From these two, anyone will definitely come. Explain the protocol used in email. This is also very important one. This only IMAP, SMTP POP3. What is netiquette? The correct behavior on the internet. Any two. This you can write always sign out after using the email account. Do not send angry or hated messages. What is an email address? It's a unique address of a user which can be used to send email messages. It's act like a mobile number for us. It is always unique. And explain the format of an email address is username @hostname @hostname, and username is the unique name of the user and hostname is the address of the email provider. An example you can give abc@gmail.com. So these are the important questions from chapter 2. If you didn't find any answer from 2 marks answer or long questions, you can write in comment section. Definitely I'll help you. And in next video we are going to discuss the chapter 3 and 4, mainly revision, because we have already done the codings and all. So we'll do the revised ones before the examination so that your all doubt will be clear. And if you have any doubt from chapter 2, you can write in comment section so that I can help you. And if you want to see this video in Assamese language, you can go to my Guwahati Live channel. I'll upload it there in Assamese version. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.